Chintan ji, Rahul ji, everybody, hello.
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 You have to welcome everybody. Welcome you all.
Thank you.
Welcome you all. Welcome everybody. अच्छा लगता है सबको देखना.
Hello everybody. Anandi madam, hello. Hello.
Hello. Before starting off some therapy, something, I would like each one of you I want to know basically what you want from this session, because we are all at different stages of recovery. But there is one such session happening and where we can all participate, and there is some takeaway for all of us. Yes, definitely we can get benefits through this session. At least, you know, like my husband trying to talk something, express something. This is a platform. So when he goes out of home, he will be able to express better. Now that he is talking to you people, he can face you all. Like he will get more confidence to talk to people outside. So this is what I feel how this session will help us. It will make him more expressive. It will make him more confident. So can any one of you, each one of you, unmute one by one and tell what you want from this session. भावेश जी.
हाँ मैम, क्या बताया आपने?
मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, जब आप एक ऐसे सेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, आपको क्या चाहिए? मतलब आपको सभी को तो इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए ही चाहिए. आपकी माता जी एक लेवल पे है, गुर्रा जी एक लेवल पे है, इधर सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स एक लेवल पे है. आपका इंटेंशन क्या है? हम ये इसलिए जानना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हम सभी का ख्याल रख सके और सभी थोड़ा थोड़ा आगे बढ़ सके. सभी को जैसे थेरेपी चाहिए या एक्सरसाइजेस या प्रैक्टिस चाहिए, तो सभी का हम अटेंशन, सभी को हम अटेंशन दे सके. आपके माताजी अभी किस स्टेज पे, वो क्या बात कर सकती है अभी आंटी जी?
जी, उनका कैसा है एक्चुअली, अगर आप कोई भी एक चीज है ना, पूरा सेंटेंस बोलने की बजाय बीच में से ब्रेक कर देते हो ना, तो आगे का सेंटेंस वो कंप्लीट कर देंगे. प्लस और प्लस ऐसा है कि उनको जितने क्वेश्चंस का आंसर सिखाया है हमने, जैसे कि आप कैसे हो, तो उसका विद इन 1 सेकंड के अंदर रिप्लाई आ जाता है कि मैं अच्छी हूँ. बट उसको छोड़ करके अगर कोई चीज ऐसी है जो नहीं बताई है, तो फिर वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, सोच में पड़ जाते हैं कि क्या रिप्लाई देना है करके.
अच्छा.
प्लस हाँ, अगर मैं उनको ऐसे ही पूछूंगा कि पानी पीना है, तो कैसे कैसे बोलोगे, तो वो टाइम पे मुझे बोल देंगे कि पानी चाहिए या प्यास लगी है. जब मैं क्वेश्चन करूंगा तब आंसर करेंगे, बट जब रियली उनको प्यास लगी है ना, तब वो पानी मांग नहीं सकते, वो इशारा करते हैं. और इशारे में भी उनका कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है, लाइक वो टॉयलेट का इशारा हो जाता है पानी पीने के टाइम पे, तो वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन है. जब मैं बात करूंगा तब आंसर करते हैं, बट जब रियली उनको जरूरत है कि मुझे प्यास लगी है या मुझे भूख लगी है, तो वो टाइम पे वो मांग के नहीं ले सकते. ऐसा है.
अच्छा, ठीक है. गुरा जी का ना, मेरे पति का भी थोड़ा थोड़ा ये प्रॉब्लम होता है. कभी कभी बोल देते हैं, कभी कभी जब क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना, तब आंसर, जैसे आपने अभी बताया, जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं ना, तब तो आंसर वो क्लियरली दे सकते हैं. लेकिन जब खुद पूछना चाहते हैं, जो जेस्चर्स में पूछते हैं, वो भी कई बार हमको समझ में नहीं आता, कई बार क्लियर होता है. इसका हम एक उपाय करेंगे आज, सभी से बात करके हम उसका उपाय करेंगे. आनंदी जी, आप प्लीज कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए.
एक्चुअली मैंने तो पिछले 2-3 सेशंस अटेंड नहीं किए थे, बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, द सेंस कि इनिशियल 7 to 8 months of the stroke, my husband was able to communicate really well. But since August, थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्या प्रोसेसिंग है, बट एक दिन बहुत अच्छे से बोलते हैं, अगले दिन ही फील्स की ही सेज मेरा टंग मोटा हो रहा है, ठीक है। एंड जो एक्चुअली क्या है, जो भी हम क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं वो आंसर देते हैं, वॉट एवर हिज रिक्वायरमेंट, हाँ, बट नॉट as it was earlier. So I'm in a total state of confusion कि ये कोई processing difficulty है, he doesn't want to talk, or maybe because of depression he has got stuck on certain things. That feeling of guilt and frustration is there, so he keeps repeating those things. On some days हम लोग एक कुछ ऐसा अच्छा मूड में रहते थे, एक अच्छा मतलब he used to be fond of those jokes, हम लोग उसको ब्लेड जोक्स बोलते हैं, which like my daughter was saying कि what was that movie which we were seeing about that actress Savitri. She was a very famous South Indian actress. तो वो बोले कि सावित्री, तमिल में सावी मीन्स की, चाबी। तो ही सेड अच्छा ये क्या नाम है, चाबी और तीन चाबी। तो these kinds of jokes, he used to crack earlier. That day there was a sudden he एक मेरे मेड है जोबी, he stuck on those names, he was stuck on those names. उसका नाम जोबी है, she is a Muslim lady. तो उसका क्या नाम है पता नहीं, बट शी कॉल्स हरसेल्फ जोबी। तो ये बोले कि क्या नाम है, जो बी, हिंदी में जो भी बोलते ना, एनीथिंग। तो दैट वाज वन डे ही स्पोक लाइक दिस। फिर अगले दिन जो है हम जो बोलते हैं वो सुनते हैं, बट हाँ।
आनंदी जी, क्या मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ? क्या आपने स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट के साथ एक असेसमेंट या एक सेशन करवाया? क्योंकि दे कैन असेस लाइक the person who was already speaking so well, now you say that he is feeling some thickness in his tongue. So some assessment, we have gone through assessments. We feel it's not very difficult, but they feel it difficult, like difficult to answer at that time, but they will answer with us. It's like they will show 2 pictures. What is this? Like that. And some cognitive function, some memory function. So all that. Would you consider like going for an assessment and few sessions with a therapist? Maybe after that he will feel I already have these skills. I was talking last year very well. I can pick it up. He may feel like that. Would you consider going for any session with a therapist?
Yeah, I would definitely like to, but the problem is what recently, since the last 2-3 months, we have been going to the neuropsychiatrist. So because his that level of anxiety, frustration, guilt, वो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि ज्यादा हो रहा था. So then he says कि without him coming back to a certain level, it will be only one-sided. Even counseling also, that feeling of guilt and frustration. So he said कि वो antidepressant से एक particular level पे आने के बाद where he can answer what he's feeling. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि after 1.5 months or 2 months, that anxiety levels have slightly come down. He's able to express like my tongue is feeling thick. वो बोला भी मतलब he is feeling it and he is able to express that. But beyond that, वो processing वाला वो मेरे को like you are saying कि वो cognitive level functioning कितना है, processing में problem है क्या, language processing में problem है क्या. So that I think maybe I will have to go to a speech therapist.
Yes.
Just for an assessment.
Yes. As you said, I have seen one more person, who was in depression. So the same thing even the doctor has said, before you can resume anything, that, that anxiety has to come down. Then they will be able to express better. And once the anxiety came down, yes, he started expressing himself better. I have seen that happen. What does he think about you attending these sessions?
He doesn't have any thoughts. So on some days, when he's not, his anxiety levels are not very high, he keeps on saying the same things again and again. So on those days, I make him sit next to me. He just watches whatever is happening.
Okay.
So I tell him there are people at so many different levels.
Yes.
Hmm.
Ma'am, my husband, he was at 0. Recent speech assessment, she said, now he is at 5 or 5.5. So with lot of effort, you will come up to 7, but that can't be guaranteed. You have to keep trying. Yes, that is a known fact. We have to keep trying. Ma'am, 7 is still good. Even if we have 10 or 100 of our speech, how many people around us or in the communities use that for good purpose or good things?
Hmm.
With 7, if he is able to manage himself and he is able to work and able to carry along with himself, that 7 is still good. If we have come till 5, I am sure with lot of effort, we will come to 7 one day. That 7 is not tomorrow. I know to come to 5, it has taken 3.5 years, and that 7 will take some more time. But I will tell you, ma'am, literally 0 with absolutely only one sound remaining. Like I don't want to say anything which will hurt him, but just watching these sessions, will it motivate him? Like my husband, he will read something, it's not clear. We will all read something today, it's not clear. Maybe your husband's name is Giridhar. Maybe Giridhar ji can read much better than him. Maybe suddenly one day he will pull out a book and he will start reading. Maybe suddenly one day he will feel, yes, I was talking like this. Let me speak. You may be surprised. He may talk one day. You never know when a fluent sentence will come. Just yesterday, my husband expressed something, one sentence very fluently. So I can tell you, ma'am, every day is full of surprises in aphasia recovery. But effort should be there, and as the doctor said, it's very right that anxiety levels should come down. But will just watching this, sitting next to you, watching these sessions, will it help him? Is he okay with that? Because
like today,
without his permission, it should not be done.
I know he's actually repeating the same things again and again, sitting somewhere. I'm not able to I'm not able to see, I'm not able to talk. So but I just went to have a look. He took out a magazine and he was going through it.
Oh, great, nice.
Okay,
that's
but
nice.
when I asked him, like you said, when I asked him to read out loudly, so he just goes through it and maybe a couple of words and then he just shuts it down.
Ma'am, this is the book. This is the book like we want to read.
Sir, madam, may I, Anandi madam, may I speak here a little bit? See, as far as I have not seen his conditions, and also Guru Raj sir, what along with Sodhi sir, I would like to share, because I remember last time it was not speech therapy or something. I said some Ayurvedic example of ginger and garlic in a pan. And prior to that, I told something that I'm taking Arjun Satara, Arjuna, which we find commonly. So these things are going to, help something or something. See, I myself, I'm coming from a medical background, paramedical background, may say I'm a microbiologist. So basically, I have worked for more than 22 years in the hospital laboratories. See, big jargons or very big specialized and super specialized nowadays, which we are getting available, like what you said, you are going basically for neuropsychiatrist for anxiety levels and all like that. What I suggest, since I have shared some of the medicines, though we may not be very much high funda in our pharmacology or pharmacoceutics or thing like that, these small medicines, because last time madam had told about Guru Raj madam has told about the benefits of this goat milk, bakri ka dudh. somehow it has helped. So similarly, one thing I would like to add, or one thing I would like to say over here, that if everybody, whatever medicines, what is going on, what now someone has already stated about Liverpool capsules or tablets, and there is one which I've downloaded in my phone, the 1 milligram. That is an app for pharmaceuticals. This thing. So I went through that. What are the benefits? What are the effects? What are the side effects? What are something? So that we can come instead of going on for a very sophisticated or high end of people or specializations. Let us start with, because see, it is like a small steps we are going to get, and we will do that is what, as far as anxiety is concerned, as far as psychological this thing is concerned, I am taking one tablet called as Dipran L. Of course, I get a lot of with that tablet, but that tablet is really very helpful. I wanted to stop the doctor, my neurophysician over here in Bombay. He wants that to continue. Now, since 3 months has passed, another 3 months he told me to continue, because he doesn't want that medicine to be stopped. And I also agree that there are benefits of this tablet, and it is working good on me. So, as I am telling many times, that Dipran is the tablet which is getting me good this thing, keeping me out of anxieties, keeping my temperament cool. I'm not getting hyper or something like that. So likewise, if everyone can share all the other things, so it will be beneficial for everyone. And what is the important things what we get out of all this group, this support group what we have started. Now, one thing I would like to add, yesterday, day before yesterday, that is on Saturday, I said to Sodhiji in the meeting that I happened to meet one of my colleague advocate. He also got, due to this corona, within 6 7 months, 8 months, 1 year, he also got a stroke. But what he did is that he's shouting basically 2 minutes. 2 minutes is shouting loudly, so that his voice cords are opening up. And previously he was also not able to, he was also having apexia, or was not able to you know the vocal cords were damaged, or was not able to speak properly. And now he is able to speak properly, because he is also an advocate, my colleague. Basically, our everything, like rosy roti, depends upon our speaking. So that is, we need to speak very clearly. And yes, I agree that there is this thing, psychological or mental this thing, what word I have to use specifically. I am finding it difficult that I am speaking some different word. If suppose there is a window, उसको हिंदी में खिड़की बोलते हैं, तो मैं उसको भी दूसरा ही बोलेगा. I will speak something different. Lots of word in a daytime. There are lots of in a day, at least 25 times I will speak some different word, specific word for a specific thing. It goes on differently. That is the condition what I'm facing. That is the this thing I'm facing. But yes, what I say that, what is a support group? What we are actually sharing each other's experiences. It definitely help, because now I did not knew that one of my colleagues, he was doing shouting for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. He was shouting out, and it has helped and benefited him. I will add. I will ask Shodiji to add his phone number into the group, or I will also ask him to join the group. It will be beneficial. Some everybody's experiences are counted, and it will benefit one or the other person. That is what I feel.
No, you mean to say shouting as a therapy, or he was generally shouting and his vocal cords become better?
No, he was shouting any word or anything, something like that. 2 minutes, 3 minutes taking word. I asked him specifically whether he is shouting Omkara or Om, like that. When we see people say for yoga, they do Om likewise, or Amin. Basically, the Muslims do Amin, or the Christians do Amen, like that. Is it like that? So he said, no, shout any word.
Okay.
So it is benefiting him. Shouting is benefiting him. 2 minutes every day, 2 minutes, 3 minutes is benefiting him. So I'm also now planning to actually I happened to speak with one of my friend basically for speech. He told me you blow the balloons, and
Okay.
blowing the balloons it has helped me also because previously my speech has I had brought 2-3 packets till now within 5-6 months. So I blow the balloons. It gives an air and some exercises to the internal mouth, internal cheeks, and the pressure is being can created or maintained or something like that. So it is affecting, and we say that I say every day. Some video I have seen that you say pa 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 where your lips have been used, then ta 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 when your this thing palate is been used, and then you say da da da. So your tongue is been at the backer side of the palate is used. The frontal side, the lips, and the backward side of the palate has been used. So it benefits. So that is what I would like to share with everyone. That if someone can do this, it will be helpful for everybody. That is more important forming sharing the experiences and ayurvedic medicines. Of course the allopathical medicines are having the side effects, because now just now, yes, yesterday, day before yesterday, I did my blood test and I could find that my hemoglobin has started dropping down. It is coming to 12.9%. Previously, I had a 14.9% or something like that. So 2 grams of blood, until now in my whole of my life, I might have donated 35 times of blood. There are no this thing certificates or something. I used to work into hospitals, and the blood banks used to be very much near. So I used to donate blood every time. I know the benefits. Every 3 months we can donate blood. So I had done that many a times. So my blood has been very much at the higher level, hemoglobin. But now it is reducing. It is coming to 12.9. Also, my creatinine level, it is increasing because of the medicines I am taking. It has come to 1.20, where the normal range is 1.5, point 5 to 1.5. And basically this where I check my this thing, they have set their creatinine limits up to 1.2, and mine is coming up at a higher level. So these things are these are maybe the side effects of the allopathical medicines. So I would prefer everyone, or I would myself would give the things, what medicines I'm taking, what medicines others are taking, what medicines everybody is taking. We can check it out on 1 milligram site on the app, and see the benefits, the effects, the side effects, and it will help everyone. That is what I would like to say here.
So same case. My husband's creatinine level is now 1.3,
Uh-huh.
and his hemoglobin, which always used to be between 13 and 14, has come down to 10.9.
Yes, so these are the things which are actually
But
happening.
strong
So,
allopathic medicines could be.
so that is what I would prefer much more of the people to go in for. Now, the other thing I don't know, I'm taking the medicine as telmastine, that is Telmad AM 40 by 5. And this medicine is supposed to be reducing the blood pressure. But I'm finding that I'm doing little bit of exercises. I'm running every day, jogging, not running, basically jogging in the porch of my house, very near, hardly say 30 feet. Uh, but I'm doing it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it has increased to 75 minutes almost. So the thing is that my blood pressure level has come to very normal, up to 120/80. It has come. So that is one of the benefits what I am right now experiencing. It is not going very high. So I would like to suggest that everybody do some of the exercise by that. Okay, by the grace of God, I am able to jog a little bit. Though I am not going out, though I am not, I am taking care that to corrode and COVID-19 situation. I'm little bit afraid because immunity is little bit less. So I don't go because Marine Drive and all that. It is very much crowded place nowadays. Just opposite to my house. So that is things to which where I will expect everybody who all are there can send a list what medicines they are taking. We can check it out. Sodiji basically, and we can see the benefits. This thing, the side effects. Now, these are the side effects that hemoglobin is coming down and creatine is increasing. So we need to be careful. And if possible, of course, medicine has got a very good this thing. I am not propagating Ayurveda or something like that, but yes, I am getting benefit. I am doing something which are home remedies, what we can call ginger or garlic or pan or Arjun Satar. Of course, it requires person who knows a little bit, but we can share each other. Now goat milk. I have heard about goat milk. It definitely has got a various Ayurvedic benefits. I'm also basically learning out of all these things. So this is what I would like to add over here.
See, I would just say that just to come in, yes, certainly everyone can send their medications, and we can probably find equivalents also. There are people here, and we can put it on the website also. At the same time, yes, one let's say piece of caution. Take it only. Don't change medications unless you have a doctor, taking responsibility for that.
Yes, yes.
That is one. Secondly, generally, it's just a general thought. When you talk of, everyone, see, many times we are taking blood thinners.
Right.
They're almost standard. Blood thinners are taken. So logic tells me that if blood thinners are being taken, the hemoglobin levels probably will go down. The blood is being thinned. So these are the things which I'm not a doctor. I'm not saying that, but probably that is what is happening over there. And what I would request, Shruti can again maybe come in. Let everyone say some thoughts. I think that will be excellent.
Yes. Yes.
I know Jaswant Saab is also coming in shortly. Let's read. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's do that.
Okay. Yeah. So can I take over?
Of course.
Okay. So this is regarding speech. So first I would like to add, I just thought about what Bhavesh ji told us just now for his mother. So can I give him some information? Bhavesh ji, क्या मैं आपको कुछ information दे सकती हूँ? आप इधर है ना?
Please.
Okay. ये जो आप बोले थे ना, अभी आपने बोला था माता जी, अभी आप हाफ सेंटेंस बोलेंगे तो सेंटेंस पूरा करेगी. अच्छा, ठीक है. आप जो अफेसिया से जो आगे बढ़ता है ना, कोई भी स्पीच नहीं, सेंटेंस पे है, आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, फिर भी हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अभी हम क्या करें? जो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस है उसके हिसाब से बोल रही हूँ. जब मैं कुछ सीख लूंगी तो किसी से पता करके या इस फोरम से, स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट से जब सीखूंगी तब मैं मैसेज भेज दूंगी. जो डेली यूज करते हैं वर्ड्स, आनंदी जी, दिस अप्लाइज टू यू and us as well, for all the three of us, for Mr. Gururaj, for Bhavesh ji's mother and for sir. Daily use objects है ना, उसमें उसका words आप अपने मातृभाषा में पहले स्पीच वापस आती है. इंग्लिश सब आएगा, लेकिन जो हम बोलते हैं रेगुलरली घर में, वही लैंग्वेज पहले वापस आता है, क्योंकि ब्रेन ऐसा प्रोग्राम हो जाता है. और जो ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ ब्रेन होता है ना, जो नॉर्मल साइड, उसमें भी थोड़ा स्पीच रजिस्टर होता है. उसमें क्या रजिस्टर होता है? जो बचपन से हमने बात किए होते हैं ना, वो नॉर्मल साइड में रजिस्टर होता है। उस तरफ से मतलब इफ यू आर लेफ्ट हैंडर, राइट साइड पे थोड़ा स्पीच होगा, राइट साइड में जो स्पीच होता है ना वो पहले आ जाता है, क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड में थोड़ा डैमेज है और वो अभी हीलिंग में है। लेकिन लेफ्ट साइड भी जैसे जैसे हीलिंग होती है उस उधर से भी स्पीच आएगा। रोज हमको एक काम करना है, रोज जो डेली यूज वर्ड्स होता है ना, ऑब्जेक्ट्स, पानी, ग्लास का टम्बलर, बाथरूम का आइटम, खाने पीने की चीजें जो एक्सप्रेस करते हैं ना, टायर्ड या मोबाइल दो या टीवी ऑन करो, आप उसको आइडेंटिफाई करो। आपके घर में आपके माताजी को क्या चाहिए और गिरिधर जी को क्या चाहिए, गुरुराज जी को क्या चाहिए, हमें वो पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है। वो क्या चीजें ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं। पहले आप सेंटेंस लेवल पे जाना चाहते हैं तो थोड़ा 15 दिन 1 महीना का वक्त दीजिए, लेकिन आप जो जो कर रहे हैं वो कीजिए। आप स्लो डाउन मत हो, प्लीज डोंट स्लो डाउन, आप स्लो डाउन मत होइए। आप अभी जो जो कर रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल कीजिए, लेकिन जो घर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना चीज, उसका एक लिस्ट बनाइए। अगर आपके मन में है तो भी काफी है। क्या आपके माताजी पढ़ सकती है माताजी?
नहीं,
नहीं। अब पढ़ना उनको मुश्किल है?
बिल्कुल नहीं समझते हैं।
बिल्कुल नहीं समझता। क्या आप चाहते हैं कि वो पढ़े? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि वो पढ़े?
यस यस यस।
विल रीडिंग हेल्प हर? ये एज के हिसाब से पूछ रही हूँ, क्योंकि इनका एज अलग है, गिरिधर जी का एज अलग है और आपके माताजी का एज अलग है। आपके घर में अगर आपके माताजी पढ़ेगी, क्या उनको बेनिफिट होगा?
यस यस। और रोज मॉर्निंग में न्यूज़पेपर आता है ना,
हाँ
तो जैसे न्यूज़पेपर आ गया डोर पे, तो वैसे वो मुझे कहते लेकर के आ, मेरे बाजू में बैठ और मुझे पूरा पढ़ के बता।
हाँ हाँ। जैसे देखिए ये एक किताब है, इसमें क्या है, once when a lion was sleeping, a little mouse began to run upon his tail. हम दोनों साथ में पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन इधर ना we keep our finger so that there is an entire passage. जब ये पढ़ते हैं ना, इतना सिग्नल्स पहले से नहीं जाता, पहले जैसे उतना सिग्नल्स नहीं जाता कि इस पैसेज में सिर्फ ए लाइन दिखाई दे। ए लाइन दिखाई देगा, लेकिन ब्रेन में प्रोसेसिंग ऐसा नहीं होता, ब्रेन में प्रोसेसिंग ऐसा नहीं होता। आनंद जी, दिस अप्लाइज टू ऑल ऑफ अस। आप अपना ऐसे अपना उंगली रख के ही पढ़िए, जो वर्ड पढ़ना है उसके नीचे उंगली रखिए। ये जब तक करना है तब तक वो एक कंफर्टेबल लेवल पे आ जाए, एंड इट विल टेक टाइम। किसी को पहले आ सकता है, किसी को लेट पे आ सकता है। हमने 3 साल ऐसे ट्राई किया है कि हम ऐसे उंगली रख के पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन जब मेरे हस्बैंड पढ़ते हैं वो खुद पढ़ते हैं, जब मैं क्वेश्चंस पूछती हूँ तब पता चलता है कितना उनको समझ में आया। लेकिन जब हम साथ में पढ़ते हैं, उंगली रख के ही पढ़ते हैं, आज भी रोज पढ़ते हैं ऐसे उंगली रख के ही पढ़ते हैं। ठीक है, आप न्यूज़पेपर लाउडली पढ़िए और उनको भी आपके साथ उनको पढ़ना है और जोर से पढ़ना है। आप देखिए सच में इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा। थोड़ा वक्त लग सकता है, एक दिन आप बीच में जो वर्ड्स वो कंफर्टेबल होंगे ना, अगर आप रुकेंगे तब माता जी वो वर्ड बोलेगी। आप देखो, आप ये 15 दिन 1 महीना ट्राई करके देखो, बाद में जब आप रुक जाओगे ना, माता जी वो वर्ड बोल देगी। वैसे वैसे ही थोड़े थोड़े में वो रीडिंग पिकअप हो जाएगा। माता जी आप बिल्कुल भी अच्छी तरह से पढ़ेगी एक दिन, आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आप बिल्कुल भी एक दिन पढ़ेंगे, आप खुद पे पढ़ेंगे। हाँ, और बहुत अच्छी तरह से बोल भी देंगे आप।
हाँ,
इसलिए
आवड़ी।
हाँ, ये मत
ऑल द बेस्ट। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल आप पढ़ेंगी, बिल्कुल बात करेंगे आप। वक्त लगता है, प्रैक्टिस करना है, बहुत प्रैक्टिस, रोज का प्रैक्टिस, प्रैक्टिस रोज, हर दिन हर दिन।
यस यस, उन्होंने सुना है।
अच्छा ठीक है।
स्पीकर पे आवाज नहीं आ रहा था तो हैंड्स फ्री
अच्छा
लगा दिया।
कोई बात नहीं।
नौकरी हाँ
माता जी
ये मत-
प्रैक्टिस
कर दी प्रैक्टिस।
प्रैक्टिस
हाँ
रोज रोज
हाँ
रोज हाँ
हाँ,
अब बिल्कुल आएगा। देखिए मेरे पति ना, अब आप अभी बोल रही है ना, जब इनको स्ट्रोक हुआ था 3.5 साल पहले, आँख के सिवा कुछ मुंह भी नहीं खोल पाते थे, लेकिन आज पढ़ सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं। जब भी आनंदी जी और विल्सन जी बात करते थे ना, तब इन्होंने लिखा ये माय नेम इज गुराज। मैं बोल रही थी, इन्होंने लिखा अभी। हाँ मतलब एक दिन में नहीं आता, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करने से आ जाता है। भावेश जी आपके लिए एक छोटा सा सजेशन है, आपके लिए एक छोटा सा सजेशन है, सभी के लिए जो जो इम्प्रूव होना चाहते हैं, सभी के लिए जो वर्ड्स आप इनको सिखाना चाहते हैं ना, प्लीज एक किताब में, मैं किताब क्यों सजेस्ट करती हूँ, क्योंकि अगर हम पेज में लिख देंगे ना, पेज कहीं मिस हो जाता है। इसलिए छोटा से किताब में इनको आप प्लीज वर्ड्स लिख दीजिए। पानी, बेडशीट, टम्बलर, मेडिसिन, मोबाइल, बाथरूम, सब। और आप उनके साथ वो भी पढ़िए रोज, और उनको रिपीट करवाइए। रिपीटिशन एक्टिविटी होती है ना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। अभी भी हम रोज करते हैं रिपीटिशन, वर्ड रिपीटिशन भी करते हैं, सेंटेंस भी करते हैं। अभी आप देखिए 1 मिनट, मैं 2 वर्ड करूंगी। अब अभी आप देखिए, लैपटॉप, बुक। अभी ये 2 वर्ड हुआ ना, ऐसे हमें थेरेपिस्ट ने 8 वर्ड तक रिपीट करने के लिए बोला है। 8 वर्ड तक, मतलब आप एक टॉपिक ले सकते हो, किचन का आइटम, वरना कुछ भी बोल सकते हो। अगर ये आप जो बोलते हैं अच्छी तरह से रिपीट करते हैं ना, इसका मतलब है कि वो आपका कमेंट्स, आप जो बोलते हैं अच्छी तरह से ये सुन पा रहे हैं। लिसनिंग एंड रिपीटिंग, वो दोनों भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये बहुत हेल्प होगा, क्योंकि अगर आप कुछ हरी में है, मतलब आप ऑफिस जाना चाहते हैं, बहुत जल्दी में है, आपने जो बोला इनको, उनको सुनना है और ब्रेन में प्रोसेस भी करना है, 2 काम करनी है। तो आप ये रिपीट एक्टिविटी करते हैं ना, तब ये और शार्प बन जाते हैं। ऐसे में आप एक किताब में इनको जो जो सिखाना चाहते हैं ना, आप लिख लो। आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कब ये खुद वो किताब लेके खुद पढ़ना शुरू कर देंगे, कभी भी खुद बोलना भी शुरू कर देंगे। तब आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स डाल सकते हो। स्टार्ट विथ 5 और 10 वर्ड्स इन द बिगिनिंग, मेक हर रिपीट। अभी आप जो जैसे बात करवा रहे हैं वो सब कीजिए, कुछ भी मत रोकिए, जैसे आप करवा रहे हैं वो सब कीजिए, लेकिन वर्ड काउंट ज्यादा कीजिए। ऐसे ही जब कुछ भी नहीं बात कर सकते ना कुछ लोग, वर्ड काउंट से स्पीच थेरेपिस्ट इनका प्रोग्रेस चेक करते हैं। अभी कितना वर्ड्स बोल रहे हैं, पहले कितना वर्ड्स बोलते थे। फिर बाद में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, 10 दिन बाद या अभी भी कर सकते हो, छोटा छोटा सेंटेंस लिख दो। जैसे आपने बोला माता जी जो नहीं पूछ सकती, मुझे पानी चाहिए, वो भी लिख दो। उसको मेक हर रीड, मेक हर रीड। नेक्स्ट maybe after a few days she will be able to tell it by herself. आप लिख दो, किताब में लिख दो, मेक हर रीड। ओके जी,
यस यस।
एंड प्लीज पुट योर फीडबैक। और कुछ भी चाहिए, मतलब और क्या चाहिए सेशन से, आप फोरम में डालिए, और कौन सा टाइम आपको सूट करता है। वी विल मेक ए कॉमन टाइम which will suit to most of the people, and maybe next session na you can bring the book and make her read. You can read with her, so she will be more confident. Yes, and she will be happy. Maybe she will express to you or to some other relative, yes, today I read on the forum, and she may feel happy about it.
Yes,
And please
yes.
make use of the session to progress well. Okay, thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
I
Thank you.
just wanted to
Welcome.
एक टाइम का
Well
मेरे
said.
ख्याल में अभी भी हम थोड़ा बात कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आकांक्षा जी का आया था that 7 to 8 will be suitable for her. I don't know, आनंदी जी is here and भवेश जी में भी 7 से 8 अगर हम कर दें तो वो सही रहेगा. Maybe that we can, you know, श्रुति जी maybe we can, I don't know.
For us it is okay, sir. So for us it is okay.
आनंदी जी, ननी, भवेश जी ठीक है, 7 से 8 कर दें?
हाँ सर,
हाँ
हाँ सर, 7 से 8
ठीक है.
कर.
So then
Yes, sir,
I think next time onwards we'll shift from to 7 to 8. I think we'll do that, and probably I'll discuss with forum, maybe even the physiotherapy session वो भी शायद हम 7 to 8. Arvind ji is also there. Arvind ji, you have any thoughts or any as far as the timing is concerned?
जी, I just got back home from.
अच्छा. नहीं, हम टाइमिंग की बात कर रहे थे. Most of the people are
I'm good.
agreeable.
7 o'clock. From 7 o'clock, I'm good.
Okay, चलिए ठीक है, great. So I think that is, I think we can decide on that. 7 to 8 is from next week onwards. We'll do that. Okay.
हाँ जी.
Continue, Shruti ji, please carry on. Yeah, I just wanted
Yes. Anandi ji, if we read something now, or if we say a few words, I will ask even Bhavesh ji to help his mother say a few words. If we say a few words, if you don't mind, can I suggest something? Like, can you go near your husband, or is he okay if you sit next to him and listen to all this, whatever is happening in the forum? Is it okay with him?
Yeah.
Maybe he can see us. No, maybe he can see us talking. He can see us reading.
I'll just
We don't know. Maybe in the coming days, he would like to participate. I am a very optimistic, positive person. I always say, I always talk like this.
I want him to participate.
Can you, like, it's not a compulsion. It's not a compulsion. Can you just be with him while we are reading? We would like to read something today, or we would like to make them make use of this forum to talk or express or read something today. So this is a first practice session we have started. So let us make use of this session to read or say something. Can you just be where he is, and just, can he go through the recording? Can he go through this session? Sir, anybody wants to say anything at this point of time? After that, we will proceed with reading or saying a few words. Guraj ji and Bhavesh ji's mother, they can.
Shruti ji, you just told that we will be starting reading sessions, right?
Yes.
Why don't we make it official in the group? Like, people can participate. A lot of people can participate. Whoever is interested, like, we are not compelling them to participate, but let them, whoever interested, participate in this. So it can really make a big difference.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
I'm also
Definitely.
positive minded like you.
Can you please
I
repeat?
feel it can make a big difference because I feel that can make a big difference because people are not getting good therapy sessions because of this COVID situation.
Yes.
So at least we are together in this group. So we one-on-one, if we help each other, we can probably come out of this faster.
Yes, definitely.
I feel
we
that
will
way.
make use of this session. Yes, definitely. I need everybody's ideas how to shape a session. Like 15 minutes, we will read. For example, there are 5 participants. We will read one passage, and I just saw there is one session. That was a reading session, and I expressed to Hardeep ji, and he was very open that yes, we will make a reading session. So we will set our own goals. Like, yes, today I'm reading 2 lines. Next, maybe I will improve. And in aphasia, let me tell you, they miss out on the prepositions, the positions like is, in, that, he, she, all that they miss out. So maybe in a couple of sessions, I will be able to pick this up. Let me set a target for myself. Not a huge target, small target like that. So all of you please give ideas, and we will start. We will start with Arvind ji, you can start. Would you like to read a passage? Anything you like.
Gee, really, I don't have anything right now to read.
Fine. We can next time. No issues. We can next time. But I think I will request Bhavesh ji.
Shruti ji, actually, I'm not having any aphasia after my stroke injury because I'm left side affected.
That's fine.
So luckily,
When you read, we will listen.
but
huh?
I would love to participate. I would love to participate if you want me to help you out. And
Oh, that's a
so don't
very,
worry about that.
yeah, that's a very nice spirit. Thank you very much. In fact, if you read, na, maybe what we can do at
Ji.
home is, did you listen? Did you hear? We can ask them. What did he say? Can you say one word about it? So if
Okay.
every single effort, goes a long way in recovery. Yeah, that's nice. You
Correct,
can
correct,
read.
correct.
You can read. That's nice.
Haji. And I have one suggestion.
Yes, please.
If like if it is going to be an interactive session, if the participants have the similar content, the passage content, if we have similar content, it will be much better. I feel that way. Because
Yes.
we can take turns in reading the same passage, and probably because they're going to listen the passage, one person who's going to one person who's going to read the passage, we're going to take turns anyways. So the next turn, whoever comes in for the next turn, he'll probably get that memory stored up in his brain, whatever he has read.
That's an excellent
So while reading,
suggestion.
he might. Haji.
Excellent. That's very nice. We can put up simple passages in the forum. Maybe even, we can practice it at home once, then we can come back and we can read it. That will give even more confidence. As you said, by the time one person is reading, the other person hears. Yeah, that's a nice suggestion. We can do it by the next session, I feel.
Haji. But one more problem is that in aphasia also, not all stroke patients are the same. Few people will be in the starting stage of speaking. Like they'll be saying only the vowels like A, E, and they can't spell out the whole word, right?
Yes.
So if I want to say water, they'll be just saying the wa, the sound of the first two letter syllables. They can pronounce, they spell out only the syllables.
Yes.
So during that stage, it will be difficult for them to read out the entire passage and participate actively in the session that we are planning to make. But still, it can benefit them by listening and.
Yes. See what we can do, Arvindji.
At least
we can plan in such a way that now I have understood what is Bhaveshji's requirement, what is Giridharji's requirement. What we can do is, if it is not an entirely reading session, because we have fewer participants, we can have a sound level, like a person is in the sound level. So we can have activities for that, like what is the first sound of this word.
Okay. You're saying we'll team up the stages of aphasia.
Yes. The template I had shared, it was just a template, but yes, I would definitely like feedback. So it covers activities for all persons, including from, as you said, immediately after stroke,
starting stage,
the sound level to the sentence level. Like Setiji, Arora ji, they're already speaking well, but in between they miss words. So maybe they can, as you said, this reading, they may be fluent, they can become more fluent, or they have in between word finding difficulty. Maybe that can be addressed. So in one session, like as much as possible, because like I've seen in the West, they have different time slots for different levels, and one for the caregiver and all that. Here, what happens is we are fewer participants. In this one particular session, like we can address everybody's issues one after the other. No, Bhaveshji said we addressed his issue, and Giridharji has come. We can greet him, and maybe Gurajji can read something, and then Bhaveshji can make his mother say a few words, or he can ask her questions. She can give an answer. So So we'll address everybody's concerns, so that everybody will have a opportunity to open up. Yes, fine. Everybody is in different stage of recovery, and I'm sure one day, everybody will be able to manage themselves better.
I have a quick suggestion.
Yes, please.
We could also share our screen, like either you or I one day can share our screen, so that there's just like 2 or 3 simple sentences, and then whoever's on can everyone can read the same sentence. Because it's similar to what Arvindji was saying about having the same content, because we're just basically reading to practice, and that way I think it will give us a better idea of how fluent someone is, or how how much where their challenges lie, and then eventually we can split them into smaller groups and have different times. If like 2 or 3 people have the similar difficulties in reading, then maybe they can stem off and they can have their own little reading group. And then if there's some people who actually don't have a problem in reading, then they know that, you know, they're fine with it, because I think everyone here support everyone anyway, whether they read
Yes.
good or they have challenges. So one of my suggestions would be just to have the same sentence, the same 5 sentences. And so we're all looking at the same screen. Like right now, we're all looking at me talking or you talking or whoever. So everyone has time, because we all have different processing times. You know, the way someone reads it, the way someone scans it, the way someone sounds. So they can we can help them practice together. On
That's
this
really good
platform,
suggestion,
or the
Sambika.
caregiver
I
next to
appreciate that.
them. What's that?
I appreciate that. It's a really good suggestion, and something came up in my mind, like following up what you suggested. Have you seen this YouTuber called La Savita?
No, how do you spell that?
He's LA
Go ahead.
CIVITA. I think so. Just hold on a minute.
Sure.
Like you guys continue the conversation. I'll just get back to you regarding
Yeah.
the spelling.
That was just a simple thing. I think if we all look at the same thing, then it'll be more focused instead of having.
Okay,
like,
it's
different people.
LACIVITA.
La Savita. Okay, I'll look them
Yeah,
up.
La Savita, and he's basically an coach for interviewing. Like if someone is going for an interview, he's coaching people,
Got it.
and his channel is absolutely free, and he has this pop-up cards that he uses for explaining the subscribers who's watching his show.
Yeah.
You know these small pop-up cards?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he just shows that to the screen and he starts explaining the topic, whatever he's going to start talking.
Nice.
So you watch one of his videos. I think most of his videos have pop-up cards. So I think that's good. That might be a good idea to bring into the sessions.
Yeah.
Like
that's a good
pop-up
idea.
cards.
That's a good idea.
I hope you understand what I mean by pop-up cards.
Yes, I do. I said, yeah, no, that's a great idea. They're like flash index cards. That come
Yes,
out.
the flashcards. Exactly.
Yep. No, I know. I got you. I think that's a good idea.
Yes, Sambika.
नमस्ते गिरिधर साहब, कैसे हैं आप? नमस्ते जी.
She's wishing you namaste. Shruti here. Namaste Zulle. Namaste Zulle.
नमस्ते.
Wish to Zulle. Wish karo na.
அனுஜி தமிழ் அவரு?
Tamil. You know Tamil?
கிரிதர் சார் வணக்கம். ஆமா, நான் தமிழ் தான். கிரிதர் சார் வணக்கம். நான் கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து பேசுறேன்.
Oh. This person கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து பேசுறாரு இவர். அரவிந்த். படிக்க வரதா உனக்கு? என்னாச்சு?
கோயம்புத்தூர் ஊரு. நீங்க உங்க ஊருங்க கிரிதர் சார்? உங்க ஊர் எது?
அவர் ஊரே இல்லையா? ஊர் என்ன? கும்பகோணம்.
நீங்க எந்த ஊரு பேசுறீங்க? நீங்க எந்த ஊர்ல இருந்து பேசுறீங்க கிரிதர் சார்?
இப்ப எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
தெரியலையா? ஓகே, ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, பரவாயில்ல. நான் கோயம்புத்தூர். சரிங்களா?
கோயம்புத்தூரா? நீங்க எங்க? குர்காவா டெல்லியா? Gurgaon. That reality
Okay,
we will not accept. Hello to Sungo. இவர் பேர் அரவிந்த், இது ஸ்ருதி, இது அம்பிகா. ஸோ எல்லாரும் பேர் சொல்லிட்டு ஹலோ டு சொல்லுங்க. என்ன என்ன சொல்லுங்க.
சொல்லுங்க என்ன சொல்ல வர்றாரு சொல்லுங்க. ஆனந்த்ஜி பிராமின்ஸா நீங்க?
எஸ்.
பாலக்கடா?
இல்ல தஞ்சாவூர்.
தஞ்சாவூர், ஓகே. ஐயங்கார்ஸ்?
நோ, ஐயர்ஸ்.
ஐயர்ஸ், ஓகே. நான் வந்து பாலக்கடா ஐயர் ஆனந்த்ஜி.
பாலக்காடு ஐயர், அது சித்தூர் பேரு.
சித்தூர் எங்களோட காவு சித்தூர்.
ஓகே. Actually, my father-in-law belongs to the Trivandrum side, Karamana.
Okay, okay.
But my mother-in-law, my parents, they all belong to Tanjore side.
Okay, okay. And Girdhar sir?
Girdhar is, Karamana and Tanjore.
Okay. அப்ப கேரளா ஐயர் தான் அவரு.
ஆமா, basically at the father-in-law side, they all speak Malayalam only.
Okay.
Hardeep ji, can we help them speak a few words or talk and make them feel more confident?
Yeah, why not? I think let's it's all your efforts.
Okay.
Let's,
Okay. Bhavesh ji. Bhavesh ji is here. Okay.
Ji, Bhavesh is on the participant list.
Okay.
Probably some problem. Bhavesh, you're on mute. Bhavesh, you're on mute.
Okay. In the meantime, I want to share an information. We didn't have a therapist for around 2.5 years. We thought we can do everything,
Okay.
but yes, definitely we were looking out for help. And when we got, my husband, one activity is not evaluated. So Diji, I told I will share with you. I will share in the forum. So after evaluation, I thought I will share. See, the one activity with noun, that is called the networking activity. We should be able to help them pronounce the noun, the name of the object. Okay. For example, pen. Give them cues to help them pronounce pen. Then ask them what is the use of pen and what is the association of pen, for what all this can be used. So what I'm trying to tell is therapy definitely helps. So right now we have started off therapy with verb. So how verbs can be made, help to make sentences with one single verb. For example, play, write, what all sentences we can make in verb. So with one single verb, we can make 3 to 4 sentences, help them to read it fluently, help them to pronounce it fluently. So this I'm just giving an information that yes, therapy helps. Maybe we can make use of all the material or the advice they will give us and practice it well. Then take a break from the therapy or make it continuous. It is as per our convenience. Then again get back so that the person can come back to best possible stage of recovery. Our aim is they should be able to manage themselves better. If they're a senior citizen at home, they should be able to express themselves better. If they have to go out and paying the bill or paying the taxi, whatever, going to the grocery, so they should be able to be more expressive. They should be more expressive. Guraji is coming, so I would like him to read something and speak something independently as well. So this is just a demonstration as to how we can shape these sessions. भावेश जी, मैं आपके लिए इंतजार कर रही थी. जब गुरा जी का हो जाएगा, आप अपने माता जी से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछिए. She will be able to answer and you can help her out.
Shruti, you are a therapist. You're working with something or caregiver and a lot of knowledge because of that?
Caregiver. So it's the knowledge by practice, you know,
Practical,
whatever I have
practical
learned
knowledge.
for Apesia. So,
In fact, there is somebody in the group called Melita, Melitta.
okay.
She had suggested, picture description also, like
Yes,
Arvind
yes.
was saying. When we share screen, we can share a picture. So it's a scene which shows something, and you can ask what everyone is doing. We do that for children to learn the language as well.
Yeah, we do that regularly, in fact, and even the therapists, you know, they tell us to make use of a lot of pictures. So we do that, and in one of the earlier presentations, I have shared a picture, and we have discussed in detail about the picture comprehension. Yes, definitely it will help, you know. In the basic level also, they give picture cards, you know. First level of pictures is they give cards to match, like how, you know, the Montessori kids or kindergarten kids do. And let me tell you, they find it difficult. Initially, after stroke, you know, the brain is healing, they're tired, and they have to come to terms. So we have done matching pictures. 3 years back, we have done matching pictures quite a lot. I've taken print, I've cut out from children's books. So we have done matching pictures. After that, it's like identification of picture. Like A to Z, we get books, na, picture books for children. The same thing we have done, and we do it, you know, in fact, in between sessions, we do that. So now, you know, I'll help Gurajji to read. I'll help him to read. This is the story of
The lion and the mouse.
the lion and the
The
mouse.
mouse.
Once,
One
when,
the lion went hunting, sitting, and
yes,
a later more marching
began
pendant to run Haman
upon his
his tail.
tail. Tail.
Tail.
Mm.
The lion took up and a
In,
with and
of,
of anger
caught,
thought the mouse and the mouse
in
then
his
his paws
paw.
paw
Paw.
paw
Paw is not paw. Paw is the feet iruttalla, the lion's feet. The lion's feet is called a paw. That is paw. Paw is not paw. Okay. The lion's feet is called a paw. Okay. Okay. Now I will ask you a few questions. This is the story of
lion and mouse.
lion and mouse. Amele, what was the lion doing?
Same thing.
Good. When lion was sleeping, what did the mouse do?
Run
Ra-
and head.
Tail. It ran on his tail.
Head.
Was the lion happy with that? Was the lion happy?
No. And anger.
Anger. So lion was angry.
Angry.
What did it do?
Pa.
Pa. It caught the mouse.
Mouse the door.
Caught
The
mouse.
mouse.
In his paw.
Pa.
Okay. So this is how we do reading. भवेश जी ऐसे पढ़ते हैं. आज ये हमने पहले पढ़ा था, इसलिए मैंने इनको ही पढ़ने के लिए he read it by himself. Otherwise, if it is a new content, we read it together. न्यूज़पेपर आजकल वैसे ही पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन सही पढ़ते हैं या नहीं कैसे पता चलता है? जो एक आर्टिकल पिकअप करते हैं और मैं क्वेश्चंस पूछती हूँ, यस और नो में आंसर देते हैं या एक वर्ड में आंसर देते हैं, तब पता चलता है सही इन्होंने पढ़ा या नहीं। आप अपने माता जी से क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं ना, जो हाफ आप बोलते हैं तो ये पूरा करती है ना, आप उनसे बात कीजिए, कुछ कुछ बात कीजिए। She is happy expressing herself. Nice, nice, nice. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they have spoken to each other. Nice, nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, आपकी आवाज आवाज जैसे अरविंद जी ने कहा था, हम इंग्लिश में एक पैसेज शेयर करेंगे, लेकिन आप अपनी मातृभाषा में माता जी से कुछ प्रैक्टिस करवाइए या कुछ भी। अगले सेशन में हम कुछ पढ़ेंगे और ये क्या करेंगे, कुछ क्या लिख सकते हैं? Can she write? No, no problem. We will do one thing. We will keep 4 or 5 objects. Okay. We will try to name them. Simple objects. Maybe like pen or maybe like tumbler. And what we will do, 4 or 5 objects, then we will keep it aside. We will try to recollect. Okay. So their recall will improve. We will try this, and what else you want, you please put it in the forum. Please share your ideas with us. Please share your ideas with us and tell how our learning experience is. Thank you. Anandiji, how did you find it?
I think when you come to know about different levels of speech.
Yes.
So I like today I learned something from you. Reading together.
Yes.
Maybe I need to develop a lot of patience also for that, because you are more patient.
And I definitely take help of my children. Right now they are very busy, but when they have some time, definitely I take some help. Anandiji, I've not been, Hardipji, I'm sorry, I'm not seen if the PowerPoint presentations are posted in the website. Ma'am, please go through those presentations. The most of the basic things are in those presentations, like reading together, working with pictures, and basically it is with yes, no questions.
Okay.
Any question, if they're able to answer first, yes, no. Next step is word level. So those who are with sounds, we have to mix 2 alphabets, simple alphabets. It's not with the what we say Vatakshara. It's simple, Rama, Sita, like that, simple alphabets. Definitely maintaining a book, I suggest 100%, because it will help them in reading and it will help in their word count. And when we come to the sentence level also, it will help. Our basic conversation, how to help him improve, we have written down in a book. We practice 5 sentences. He is good in reading and writing. Therapist has told, now at present, at this point of time, writing is his basic communication. He writes and then he reads it. We are slowly shifting it to speaking.
Okay.
So that's the thing. and it will help. Please put what level you are, what are the what kind of help you require, so that we will make use of these sessions. 1 hour, if it is 1 hour, that 1 hour should be totally helpful to the persons with aphasia. That is the intention.
Shruti, can you please elaborate how he is exactly writing, like how he is trying to hold the pen and everything?
Yeah. In the left hand.
Oh, that is okay.
He is actually
He kept practicing. He
right-hand
kept
person.
practicing.
No. He is a right-handed person. He cultivated this practice after the incident. I will share what he has written after this session in the forum.
Okay.
I will share a few things. I will share the activity we have done, the verb activity also. I'll share the video also. It was still under evaluation. I wanted some feedback so that I can share the feedback also. Can you write? I am. He's writing, I am happy.
He's writing, I am happy.
We are also happy. Gururaji, we are also very happy.
Thank you.
Fine.
Thank you.
Fine. Fine. What is the first sound? See how I help him. He doesn't know the sound. What is the first sound? Fine. He got it. F. You know that word. You can try it. See, actually to write fine, he could not write fine. He tried to write fantastic, but the spelling is not correct. But he's trying. He's trying. But we know it is the word. So when they want to write, this is also called apraxia of speech. They want to write, express something, but it is another word.
Okay. Fascinating.
Okay,
Really
okay.
Fascinating. So you wanted that word? You wanted fascinating. This is a new word for him today because he used to tell fantastic. This is the first time he told this word and he has written this word. So every
Oh, that is
session.
great. Good job.
Yes.
Gururaji, awesome. Amazing.
Thank you.
So we don't know how people with aphasia will open up in a session. Definitely they will open up,
Okay.
and every session will be useful.
Okay.
There are therapists who have told persons who have not spoken for a very long time, they have said first word in the first session of therapy with a speech therapist. So
Okay.
these sessions are definitely helpful, and how we make use of it is totally left to us.
Yes, Sri.
Over to you, Hardeep ji.
Whatever said and done, I'm still surprised by that news item that a man who could not even get up and walk, he started walking after his first vaccine. I don't know how.
No, miracles do happen.
Oh.
Miracles do happen. We recently saw a video.
There is another article which I have seen today in Daily Hunt. There is an app called Daily Hunt. It is also recounting a similar experience. I don't know whether they are connected in some way or other, but surprising. It's surprising. Yes, perhaps it is miraculous, but at least in our experience, it hasn't happened yet. But let's see. If it helps. At the same time, many things. Since I am a little bit aware of how media functions, many things are put to encourage people. For example, in this case, to encourage vaccination also. That could be so. Many things happen.
The motivating.
But anyway,
so-
great. I just want to say, Shrutiji, great session, everyone. I think it will be very good also going forward.
Sir,
Everyone
just a
efforts
minute.
we appreciate. Yes. Yes,
Sir,
please.
just 1 minute. I wanted to suggest one small thing to Bhavesh ji, because I can see that they are getting dark and trying to move inside. Bhavesh ji, you can do one more activity with your mother. What she is not able to say, work with the items, work with the things. Okay, make her feel it. Okay, and make her repeat the words. For example, pani. For pani, you can give her a tumbler, make her feel the tumbler, make her say pani a few times. Do it once again in the evening or night. Maybe when she sees the tumbler, you said that she may not be able to pick up the word. So down the lane, maybe she will be able to pick up the word. Please work with objects and pictures. Since we have children, we have a lot of resources around us. So we will be having books. So what I suggest is don't go directly into spending. See what is around you first. So with whatever things are there around you, please work with that. That is what is my suggestion. Otherwise, my house, there are a lot of therapy items. One of the therapists said, is this gym or what? Please don't buy anything till I tell you. So it will become like that. So we all have regular use items at home. And as I said, you can write it down. Please make her feel it. Show the item, give it in her hand, let her feel it, make her repeat it. Please try that, and please let us know how you felt it, so that it will help other people as well. See how it will help over a period of few days, whether she is able to repeat the word. Then we can share it in the forum, telling that yes, working with objects in the hand, feeling it, and then repeating the word help people, Thank you. Ambika ji, you want to give any inputs?
Shruti ji,
Yes.
I'm very curious. Guruji's speech is started to recover already. I'm just curious to know how good is his improvement in his hands.
Hands, he can close.
Okay. But opening it's not happening.
Opening has not yet come. He can only lift in this pattern. So yes, definitely where therapy is happening. We are also.
And his elbow is bending. Ji?
Elbows, how much you are able to bend? Elbows. This is elbow.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah. So this is the hand movement. He can close. Opening is difficult.
Okay. So fingers are not too tight. I see the fingers are a little bit.
Yeah. Fingers, yes. Sometimes it is, sometimes it opens up. Working on that.
Okay, ji.
But there a lot of work is required, we know.
Same concept, ji. You're doing whatever for speech therapy.
Mm-hmm.
You keep repeating the same. You understood the pattern of speech recovery and you're maintaining that. I mean, you're continuing that.
Yes.
Same thing for hands and upper limb and lower limb. I mean.
Yes.
The repetition matters.
Yes, the repetition.
Whichever we work on the recovery, it will come out.
Yes.
So don't worry about anything.
Yes. Hardeep ji?
Yes, I think it's almost 7:45. So.
Oh, I didn't see the time also.
Yeah, so thank you very much. I think, Shruti, we can close the meeting now. I think it's 7:45. Thanks for everyone's efforts and all the very best to everyone. Take care and stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Yeah, we'll meet again. Thank you.